Hello, today we are solving May 2024 paper question number 6 part C. Evaluate how well Kowloon Tong Stores PLC has managed its sources of finance during the year ended 31st March 2024. So what has been handled well by the company? The finances are related to that. If they have reduced the bank loan, it's good for the company. If they have been able to redeem shares, it's good for the company. If they have been able to pay dividends, it forms a good image formation to the shareholders. So, but if they have raised a loan and there is a decrease in cash and cash equivalents, then this is all poor. So let's see some of them that has been handled well. Okay, the finance, okay, which has been handled well is the bank loan has been repaid back of about 200,000. Okay, 200,000 has been paid back. This is good because there will be no future interest payments. Then ordinary shares have been reduced, have been redeemed. So this means you need not pay any future dividends from the profit earned by the companies. The redemption was totaled up to 1 million, okay, of the ordinary shares and a share premium of 250,000, which we had already calculated. Okay, so the preference shares also has been paid their full dividend, and ordinary shareholders have also received a dividend of 50 pence per share. So this is a return of 3%, which is quite good. Okay, they have got an interest. Then what has not been handled, what has been handled poorly is a debenture of 500,000 had been taken out. The debenture interest rate is 9%, which is higher than 8% of the bank loan. We can see here. So the interest on debenture will become 45,000 per year, which is higher than the bank loan. They could have got one more bank loan, but probably they were not able to secure it. So this looks poor for the company. And despite this is despite Kowloon Tong increasing retained earnings over 2 million, still they have taken out a loan or on debenture. Then cash and cash equivalents have fallen. It has fallen from, okay, 186,000 to 24,000 has got reduced. So this is a fall of 210,000, okay, cash equivalents, which means that the finance has not been handled well. So overall we can say that to an extent they have been performing well regarding their sources of finance. It is not so bad. Your conclusion can also be, you can conclude it by saying this that they have performed bad also. So but you have to give one solid